Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for your support. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lolo Meets. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to see this. The good update of my Facebook account. Thank you, Lolo Meets, for your trust from not recommendable to recommendable again. No issues. Some issues. Nothing. At risk. Nothing here right now. So, ano ba ito? Nothing here right now. So, thank you so much. My Facebook account now was clear and recommendable again. Rosalie Rose Villa, your account looks good. Thanks for sticking to the rules and making Facebook a better place. What's in your account? Your main profile is responsible for all the things you manage. Wow. Thank you very much for this good message from Facebook Facebook staff. Lolo Mates, thank you so much. Our policies, our enforcement. Ano itong tatlong X na to? See all four. Oh. Okay. May 17. Because I commented what happened. See all two. Okay, your account looks good. Thanks for sticking to the rules and making Facebook a better place. Yes, I want Facebook clean. I have checked some one of that profile. Behind have money. Guys, be careful because it's not true. They are only getting from you this one. The only need from you is money. So take a look, guys. I want to show you this. So okay, this is a Prince Hamdan Faza. He used the name and photos, but I'm sure he's not the real Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. So I want to read. Hello, fans. I have a gift to all my fans over there in Philippines. I am giving 10,000 pesos each to 35 fans from Philippines. Just message me on my private Telegram or WhatsApp to send me your bank details or GCash, guys. Be careful, otherwise your bank account, if you have bank account, if you have savings, later on all was gone. Also also WeChat. Ano, not WeChat, also GCash. So you must be careful because this kind of people are ruining the life of women all over social media. They're showing money, but the truth is not. They are the one take your money. I continue. My arms will hold you when you are weak. My eyes will find you charming in your worst appearance. My heart will love you more even when you are most vulnerable. I will be true to you when everybody walks away because I love you. Out of a billion people and the populations, I've chosen one person to love, one person to cherish, one person to protect, and one person to stand up for me. I've chosen you not because you were a choice from many, but because you are one in a billion. Don't be the next victim of this kind of words, okay? They are doing this kind of poems to gain money from the woman. They think you are the one, it's not. So wait a while, I want to check Prince Hamdan and favorite fan page. Wait a while, I want to remove this one later. Page transparency. So no member African. But I don't believe on this. Okay? I don't know. I don't want to. I try to I try to chat this person, but I don't want. I don't want to give my phone number because it's really dangerous. I want to check WhatsApp. Yes. His WhatsApp number is 971. This is this number code is United Arab Emirates. But I'm not interested this to check because I don't want to give my phone number. So don't be the trap of this kind of person, because some people now use the photo and the name of Prince Hamdan Fasa Dubai. So yes, it's true. I don't know if this is true from him, but you try. So very really dangerous. Okay, so many victim of this kind of platform. So good luck.